ever pondered about the impact of sugar consumption on your health? The hidden culprit of many health issues, excessive sugar intake can lead to obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. But wait, there's a silver lining. Nature has provided us with a myriad of sugar alternatives that not only satisfy our sweet tooth, but also contribute to our overall well-being. First up, meet the stevia plant. Native to South America, this little green gem is a powerhouse of sweetness, boasting up to 300 times the sweetness of regular sugar. And the best part? It has 0 calories, making it a perfect companion for Weight Watchers. Next on our sweet parade is honey. Not just a delicious spread for your morning toast, honey is packed with antioxidants and can help in soothing a sore throat. Remember, moderation is key, as honey, although natural, still packs a caloric punch. Monk fruit, a small melon from Southeast Asia, is another remarkable alternative. With a sweetness level that outshines regular sugar by a whopping 200 times, monk fruit has 0 calories and 0 carbs. It's a dream come true for those following a low-carb or ketogenic diet. Let's not forget the yacon plant, an Andean root vegetable. The syrup derived from it is a low-calorie sweetener that also acts as a prebiotic, promoting gut health. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Maple syrup, a staple in the Canadian kitchen, is not just for pancakes anymore. It's a natural sweetener that contains antioxidants and minerals like zinc and manganese. However, just like honey, it's high in calories, so use it sparingly. Coconut sugar, made from the sap of the coconut palm, has a lower glycemic index than regular sugar. It also contains small amounts of nutrients and fiber, making it a slightly healthier option. So why opt for these natural sugar alternatives? Well, they not only provide a healthier option for satisfying your sweet cravings, but also come with additional health benefits. From weight management to better gut health and even a boost in your antioxidant intake, these natural sweeteners are a win-win for your taste buds and your health. Remember, the journey to a healthier lifestyle doesn't mean you have to give up on sweetness. With these natural alternatives, you can enjoy the sweet life without the bitter consequences of sugar. So go ahead, take the first step towards a healthier, sweeter life, naturally.